Hi, for today's video is how to add YouTube video to a website. You can add YouTube video or playlist to a website or blog by embedding it. The YouTube API terms of service and developer policies apply to all access and use of the YouTube embedded player. So what you're going to do is go to the YouTube video or playlist you want to embed, then click share. From the list of share options, click embed. From the box that appears, copy the HTML code and paste the code into your website HTML. For network administrators, you will need to add youtube.com to the firewall allow list. It's important that if your website app is a child-directed and you embedded YouTube content, you must self-designate your site or app using these tools. This self-designation will ensure Google does not serve personalized ads on the sites or apps, and some features will be disabled in the embedded player. Take note that age-restricted videos can be watched on most third-party websites. These videos will redirect viewers back to YouTube when played. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!